y'all! So one of the biggest projects of the Fairlane so far has been the sheet metal and the panels, and we are going to be taking a look at the inner fender up here. So basically, AMD sent us a new inner fender because the battery lies right there, and the acid from the battery seeps out and eats all the metal away. So we have our new panel in here, and Audrey is going to be helping us put it in because she's becoming one of our master welders. As you can see, we have our Miller equipment behind us. So we are very excited to be placing this in.
Doing?
So we are connecting the battery tray to the support that goes on the car. So we're going to connect them and then we're going to install it. So.
Good. And then you can tighten it by hand once you get it base. Reach all the way over. And then watch your hands on that, Maddie, because if it grabs, it's going to try to swing the handle of that ratchet.
Yeah.
And you don't want your hand to get pinched. It will. You'll have black and blue fingernails.
Oh, great.
I'm not saying this time, but at some point you will. There you go.
I can't see from here.
There you go. Now you're on.
You're on. Yep. Okay, zip it down. So spin it around. Yep, just like that. You can go ahead and drop it down. And that hole goes right there. And then the two holes down here, okay, these two holes go through down there. So it goes all the way down to the frame. Perfect. And that, yeah, you got it. Or maybe enough.
I got it.
You got it? You're on it?
I'm on it.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect, perfect. And that is how that is supposed to look. So good. There you go. Good.
So we just got this new battery from the UPS driver that totally loves us because he has to bring us heavy stuff almost every day. But yeah, we just unboxed this just a second ago. We got a brand new battery for the car.
And we thought this was for shipping, but it's not. So don't toss it out. It actually comes with these two things that go on the bottom and the top of the battery just to help protect it and you know, kind of stop vibration and rubbing within the car. So this piece goes on the bottom.
And they gave us this too. It's detachable from the battery, so it makes it really easy to take out and in.
Yeah.
And carry it around.
So you just clip the battery down into this bottom part, and then you drop the battery in, down into the tray.
That tray that you and Maddie just installed the other day.
Yes.
Looking good.
It's already coming in handy.
And then that
Then
goes
you
on
put
top.
this.
That way you don't get any unnecessary sparks or anything like that when you're down in there. That way nothing can
And
touch it.
that's
So-
your protectors for your battery.
Yeah.
And that's your brand new battery as well.
So just a little feature like that makes it even more user friendly. So we love stuff like that.
Makes it a lot safer.